Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This time I'm unboxing another lightweight headset for work and occasional gaming, Jabra Evolve2 65. You could see in one of my previous video unboxing of Jabra Evolve 65, and this is the second edition of very light headset with improved professional sound and headband sturdiness. By opening the box, we can see there is a quick legend on the inner side of the box cover explaining main features such as ability to mute microphone by moving the microphone boom arm. There is also warning and declaration paperwork in multiple languages and also carrying pouch with headset, so let's unzip it. The carrying pouch is made from soft on touch artificial leather on the outer side and plush fabric inside. Let me pull out the headset together with the USB charging cable, and as in previous version of Jabra headset, there is a hidden pocket which holds the dongle for wireless connection. So let me pull it out as well, and this is USB Type A dongle called Jabra Link 380. The previous version had a dongle with version identifier Jabra Link 370. The charging cable, which can also be used as an input of audio into the headset, has USB Type-C on one side for connecting to the headset and USB Type-A on the other side to connect to the laptop's free USB-A port. Now let's have a look to the headset itself, and you can freely swivel the ear cups without being afraid of breaking them as in previous version. The headband has very nice soft cushion at the top, which means you can wear this headset for many hours while working or gaming. It has replaceable ear cup cushions which are also soft on touch and can be tilted as well to adjust to your ears. The quality and sturdiness has improved a lot, mainly due to these hardened joints between the ear cup shells and headband. Now let's focus on the microphone boom arm, which is flexible enough to reach your mouth, but there are two differences against the previous version. One of them is that you can't fully rotate the microphone boom arm so that you could interchange left and right ear cup, and second difference is that the absence of the magnet at the headband to snap the microphone to it. These are not any significant features one would miss though. Let me remove the cover from the right ear cup shell, and underneath we have USB Type-C connector, then LED indicator and the power on button, which has also Bluetooth pairing function. The headset has also voice guidance. Voice guidance are announcements that will guide you through the setup or will give you headphone status updates such as connection and battery status. Voice guidance is enabled by default. Alternatively, you can use Jabra Direct on your computer or Jabra Sound Plus on your smartphone to turn voice guidance on or off. Now let me remove the plastic cover from the headband, and we can proceed to the flexibility and durability test of the headband. You can see that I can freely stretch the headband so it will nicely fit the bigger head comfortably. The ear cups can be folded flat for easy storing in the carrying pouch. And to summarize the content of the package, we have USB Type-C cable, documentation, headset itself, dongle, and carrying pouch with plush fabric inside to prevent any scratch while traveling with headset. Now let me plug in the USB-A dongle into my laptop, and the headset is plug and play, meaning when it is powered on it will automatically connect to Windows. Volume buttons on headset are very responsive, and changing the volume up or down will actually change the volume in Windows itself. There are headsets which have independent volume control out of sync with Windows volume settings, but Jabra Evolve2 65 is fully up to sync with Windows volume control settings. The mute button in between the volume up and volume down buttons also work as a multimedia pause and play button. The wireless range distance for Jabra Evolve2 65 is also really good, and I can walk 2 rooms away from my PC, which is Jabra Link 380 USB dongle, and the sound is still present. With the multimedia control buttons, you can really walk in your flat, listen music or be on work meeting, and you will not lose the wireless connection at all. Now let's check one more feature of the headband, and that is the way how you can adjust the headband size to any head size. And you can simply slide out the ear cup joint out of the headband and make it more comfortable for your head size. Now let's do the comparison of Jabra Evolve2 65 against the previous version of Jabra Evolve 65, and you can immediately notice that my Jabra Evolve 65 has broken joint between the ear cup and the headband. Jabra Evolve 65 had very nice magnet to snap your microphone while you are not using it, and that one is now absent on Jabra Evolve2 65. I had this Jabra Evolve 65 for 2 years and I have been having them on my head 7 days a week, around 8 to 9 hours per day, so it did last for significant time, but eventually it broke. By comparing the ear cups and buttons, there is not much change except the position of the buttons itself, while the earlier version of Jabra Evolve 65 had the volume buttons at the cover at the ear cup, and the mute button and multifunction button in the middle of the cover at the ear cup, so when you've been pressing these buttons, you have been pushing the ear cup against your head. The biggest improvement is in durability of the headband joints, which are now much stronger and hopefully will not break so easily as on the previous version of Jabra Evolve headset. Now let's do one of the most important comparison, and that would be the weight comparison. And the previous version of Jabra Evolve 65 has a weight 113 grams. And the new version Jabra Evolve2 65 has a weight 182 grams, which is 69 grams more than previous version, and that is mainly caused by improved durability of the headset. And for comparison, I have here true audiophile gaming headset ODZ Penrose with planar magnetic drivers, and you could see unboxing video of this headset on my channel, so make sure you check it. This headset has a weight 366 grams, which is double of the Jabra Evolve2 65. Now let's do a little bit of the measurement, and the ear cup cushion on this on-ear headphones has diameter around 7 cm. Then the microphone length measured between ear cup and the end of the microphone boom arm is 10 cm. You can expand the headband by the sliders on each side by around 4 cm, which is definitely sufficient for any head size. Now let's compare the size of Jabra Evolve2 65 with previous version of Jabra Evolve 65 by having both headband extension expanded to maximum size, and by placing it on each other the size is pretty much identical. The ear cups on older version of Jabra Evolve 65 are smaller and diameter is around 6 cm, which is 1 cm smaller than on Jabra Evolve2 65. The microphone boom arm on older version of Jabra Evolve 65 was a little bit longer and was reaching front of my mouth, which could cause more noisy sound from plosives or heavy breathing. So that has been remediated by slightly shorter boom arm on Jabra Evolve2 65. Now let me test 2 sentences through the headset microphone. Jabra headset is set to basic peak protection and there is default equalizer setting, so please let me test this peep pop and plosive distortion. There is not any windscreen on the microphone and headset is in wireless mode connected to Jabra Link 380. Let me try to move the microphone further from my mouth to test the microphone sensitivity of Jabra Evolve2 65. And we can switch to the comparison between the professional Shure MV7 microphone. So let me just unmute the microphone. I'll switch my input to Shure MV7. And this is the input from Shure MV7 microphone. As you can hear, the voice is different. If I move my mouth closer to the microphone, you can hear much better gain. If I move away from it, it's a little bit worse. And again, if we want to compare the professional Shure MV7 microphone with Jabra Evolve 65, let me switch back to the Jabra Evolve 65 microphone. I'll mute Shure MV7. Now I'm back on microphone from Jabra Evolve 65. This microphone is very sensitive, the voice is clear. Even if I move it away further from my mouth, you can still hear me. There is no background noise. I have a Xiaomi air cleaner turned on, you can't hear anything from it. And the Shure MV7 microphone had slightly lower gain. A Jabra Evolve 65 microphone has much better gain. And the voice and recording is actually much better than on any gaming headsets. Jabra Evolve2 65 is really good lightweight headset for work and occasional gaming. And if you like the video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And until my next video, cheers!